Fighting ginagawa ng mga katulong sa totoong buhay.
Oo nga, sisimisan niya.
Sisimisan niyo mga dapat mo akin ta. You should look stupid with your talaga. Master.
So sad kanina si Kigoy. Ako yung lalabas. Parang
Parang hindi niya alam na.
Ako. Sabi niya ako.
Pero ito, bet na bet niya.
Huwag na walang pet experience. Ginagawa lang natin to. We're just doing this.
Oh, no.
Oo.
Because this is a task.
naman.
When it's time to fight, we fight.
Hindi ba,
Fuck them down! Damn it. Fuck them.
dapat motivation natin ito nga.
Hindi lang ito maging motivation.
This is to remind us that we lost.
We're
gonna retaliate.
I hate all 100% power.
100%. For now, we'll just put a
I hate this one!
I'll make all food
I'm
so
missing 3 pieces of clothes.
But I'm gonna make them.
They said not to get too familiar with your masters. But I wish I could get to know Wendy better. She's really nice.
We're very small compared to them. Oh, we're
Wendy.
like,
Wendy, yeah. Always. Even in numbers.
It's very...
Like when we lose one and then they lose two, we think,
Kanina we were talking and then
and then suddenly force
we can't get too familiar with our master.
with that, kuya?
We've never had a force evict.
Ngayon parang normal na ng force evict sa atin.
Kaya naman pala ang dami nilang fans. Excuse me. I like this my burp. Kaya naman pala dami nilang fans. That's why they have lots of fans. They always ganap-ganap every day.
They're very close to him.
Saka dapat pag nakitulong kayo nila na umupo kayo, huwag na lang kayo umupo para...
They're very close.
Yun.
We are also close. Look at this.
We're close.
Tama yun.
Dahil na sila sa'yo na ano.
Mabaliw lang sila.
Baliw-baliwan.
What time's the movie? Ano?
Kasi naalangan na sila eh.
We're sometimes like that. If you did not talk. See, they have new stuff. I hate it. That they have new stuff.
Siguro sila lang yung maraming
Oo, sila marami.
Di ba napapansin niyo yung chips?
Chips sa kanila. Nakita ko yung chips.
Di ba napansin niyo yung chips?
I hate
Kung
that.
saan
Silang may chips.
sinusundan sila ng
I would like to know the line.
tayo yung kumakain. Tayo yung kumakain. Wala.
Pero di ba wala pang pangalan?
Ang bida.
Hindi, wala pang pangalan. Wala pang pangalan chips.
Underdogs?
We have Pamo. I feel like Pamo's
Come back.
Sa pelikula,
Wala naman.
kawawa talaga yung bida.
Oo nga.
So tayo ang bida. Siguro. Or baka hanggang matapos na ito, kawawa lang tayo.
Hanggang matapos ang baby.
Diba? Remember, si Judy Ann, Esperanza, katulong. Naman.
We're the PG team. Sila yung... naughty things. Our fans are children.
And mama.
Yung mga nanay, mga fans of...
Ang kawawa naman si Kawawa boto natin. Kawawa naman si Basta number 1 fan natin, mama ko.
Pamilya ko.
Pamilya ko. Basta okay na yun. Paglabas ko, may mga fans ako. Pamilya ko, okay na yun. Diba? Pamilya ko, hindi ba hindi?
We're still here.
Pero dapat
Fighting to win.
walang family here in Manila.
I want to hear that.
Ako na lang. Meron ako.
Team Wild.
Second na ako.
Okay lang. Ako rin.
Ako na ako dito.
Tapos yung matira.
Second.
Yung matitira lang dito si Tira.
Ang ending. Who cares? Basta, let's just do our best and fight until the very end. Until their last drop of blood.
Never give up.
Never give up.
Never give up.
This is the when we have the opportunity to destroy them, we destroy them. Don't worry, I'll make the food very fat.
Yeah, let's add like
Tama di.
It's gonna make it so delicious.
It's gonna be so delicious. But it's going to add 3 chips.
Thing that they're gonna audition for will be biggest. Biggest na sa nasunod.
Patay, parang wala lang camera.
Nilagyan mo ng something na mahihina talaga sa
Kontrabate.
They will always be full. And they would always want to slay.
Gusto ko to.
Tama
I feel like when we were done,
Baka may pagsabi.